Welcome back to my channel, Marean Official here.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
And andito ako ngayon para tulungan kayo na sagutin ang tanong na paano nga ba gamitin ang can, could, may, and might. So, yan. Bago nga pala ang lahat, gusto ko nga palang pasalamatan yung mga new subscribers ko. So, kahapon, 24 lang tayo ngayon. 28 na tayo. Alright! Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel. And every day I'm uploading videos. So, tutok na guys. So, para sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, nag-upload ako guys sa mga educational contents as well as tutorials and a lot more. Hindi lang English. So, there's a lot that I'm going to upload and share with you guys. I'm really excited that you guys are now part of my channel. So, ngayon, marami din kasi ang nagkakamali kung paano nga ba gamitin ang can, could, may, at might. Alamin natin ngayon kung paano natin yan gagamitin. Okay? So, padaliin natin yung buhay natin. Itong subject na to or itong paksa na to na tinatalakay natin ngayon ay part ng modal verbs. Familiar na tayo guys sa verbs. Regular verbs or irregular verbs, because verb is defined as an action word, right? This one is modal verbs. So meaning, if we are talking about modal verbs, they are used with other verbs to express ability, obligation, possibility, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of modal verbs that you may go ahead and check out. So, ito na nga yung sasagutin natin ngayon, yung can, could, may, might, and tomorrow, abangan nyo kung paano ko sasagutin ang should, would, must, and marami pang iba. Abangan nyo na yan tomorrow. Pero bago yan, let's define first what do we mean by can. Okay, so simulan natin. Ang ay tumutukoy sa ability or request. Ability, something na nagagawa mo, something na kaya mo, and request, something na gusto mong i-request. Let's say, so you wanted to request something to someone. What about the could? What do you mean by could? Could is the past ability. So, past tense ng can, na ability na magagawa mo din. Aside from that, we can refer it as to suggestion. You could go to, so something like that. Later, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga example para malaman natin kung paano pa yan gamitin. Another is may. M-A-Y. What do we mean by that? It also ask for permission and future probability. Permission, like, may I borrow? So, something like that. Something na gusto mong hiramin. Future probability means something most likely na gusto mong mangyari in the future. Something na hinuhulaan mo na possible na mangyari. Okay? So, yun yung mas madali nating maunawaan no, pag dinatagalog natin. Anyways, okay lang yan. At least we know how to use it. I'll give more examples. Let's proceed with might. That might happen soon. So, ang might po ay tumutukoy sa present or future possibility. Future possibility na mangyari ang isang bagay na inaasahan natin or pwede din na tumukoy ito as polite suggestion. So, let's move to more examples para mas maunawaan natin. Okay? Unahin na natin guys yung can at could. Can refers to ability and request. Something na kaya mong gawin at something na nire-request mo. Now, may format tayo dyan guys. So, tandaan natin to ha. Can or can't plus base form of verb. Ano nga ba yung base form of verb? Ngayon, magtataka ka, ano ba yung base form of the verb na yan? Ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin yan? So, huwag kang mag-alala. Madali lang yan. So, ito lang yan.
2,000 years later. 2 hours later.
Ang base form of the verb ay tumutukoy sa root word or pinaka-base ng isang word. So, example, written. So, ano yung root word nun or base form? Write. Let's go back. Can or can't plus the base form of the verb. Verb is what? Action word. This time, ang kailangan natin gawin ay malaman nga kung paano gamitin ang modal verbs na can, could, may, at might. So, ito na yung example para mas maunawaan pa natin yung can. Tom can write poetry very well. So, ano nga dyan yung format natin? Going back? Okay. Can plus base form of the verb. So, yung sentence na yan, sabi dyan, Tom can write poetry very well. So, yung can, gaya ng sabi natin, ibig sabihin yan, ability, and then plus base form of the verb. So, can write. What's his ability? He can write, or Tom can write poetry. Okay? So, nakuha nyo ba? Madali lang yan. Another request. Okay, another example. I can help you with that next week. So this time, yes, present pa rin ang ating can plus base form of the verb. So that will be can help. So yung can ay tumutukoy dun sa verb, which is something that you can do. You can help someone. That's also your ability. Something that you can offer to someone, right? So, I can help you with that next week. Right? So, nakuha na ba kung paano gamitin ng can? Very good. So, later nga guys, sagutan nyo nga pala yung worksheet na ililid ko sa description box. Don't forget guys, okay? That's your assignment. Alright, so next, let's move to the can't. Baka magtaka, paano naman yung can't? Sabi nyo, ayun yung format, diba? Can, can't, plus base form of the verb. Let me give you another example. Using the can't. Lisa can't speak English. This time, can't or Lisa can't speak English. Still the same, can't. So, cannot lang siya, and then speak, same pa din, plus base form of the verb. Who cannot speak English? That's gonna be Lisa. So, Lisa doesn't have the ability to speak English. Okay? So, that's it. So, now, let's move to could. Same format, guys. Walang pinagkaiba. Pero this time, past tense po. Okay? So, can is present tense, and then could is past tense. Same meaning, that talks about ability still. Let me give you an example. This sentence, when I was a child, I could climb trees. So, what's the word? Could climb. Same pa din, could, and then climb. Could is the modal verb, and then climb is the base form of the verb. That means that talks about ability as well, but nirefer na siya as past ability because sabi dyan, I could climb tree. That was when I was a child pa. Pero nung medyo may edad na ako, hindi ko na kaya. So yung possibility na ginagawa ko noon ay baka hindi ko na kayang gawin ngayon. So that's it. So it refers to past action. Okay, so that's our example about could. Let's move to may and might naman. Para mas madali nating maintindihan, ulitin natin muna ulit kung ano yung meaning. So, may means you're asking for permission. You're asking formal prohibition or future probability na gusto mong mangyari. So, gamit ulit tayo ng format para mas madali nating maintindihan at mag-gets. So, may or may not, pwede din natin siyang gamitin, plus the base form of the verb. Balik na ulit tayo. Ano nga ulit yung base form of the verb? Root word na verb or pinaka simplest form of the verb like write, sing, dance, verb. Verb that talks about. So, a word or action word. So, yun siya ulit. This time naman, kanina ginamit natin can, could. This time is may at might naman. Pero focus muna tayo sa may. May or may not, pwede natin siyang gamitin as a format. May or may not plus the base form of the verb. Example, you may start your exam now. So, you may, so may, meron tayo dyang may, start, which acts as a verb. May start. So, may plus base form of the verb. So, anong tinutukoy dyan? You're asking someone na permission na kung pwede ka na bang mag-start ng exam ngayon. O baka sabihin sa'yo ng sinabihan mo, o sige, mamaya mo na sagutan yan. So, depende, no? But you're asking the permission using may. Okay? So, clear. We're all clear with that. So, next is, para mas maunawaan pa talaga natin. You may not wear sandals to work. So, this time, ang ginamit natin, may not. Kanina, may lang. Right? So, you may not wear sandals to work. Okay, this time, may not is the modal verb plus wear is the base form of the verb. So, you may not wear sandals to work. So, you're telling a formal prohibition because anong possible na pwedeng nangyari kung bakit hindi niya pwedeng isuot yung sandals niya. Maybe umulan. Diba? Kaya madalas yung floor. So, yun yung prohibition na nakikita na kagad. Kaya, you said something na you may not wear sandals to work today. Okay? So, yan. Mas clear na po tayo sa may. Okay na tayo dyan. Another activity or worksheet, guys. If you have suggestions, feel free to drop your comments. Okay. We can also use may as a polite request. This time naman, mag-a-add tayo ng subject. So, ito yung format natin. May plus subject plus base form of the verb. Paano yun? Parang ang gulo. Ang dami-dami. Okay. So, may I help you? So, nasan dyan? Yung may, ayun po yung modal verb natin. Yung subject, I. First pronoun. And then, help is the base form of the verb. So, this talks about polite requests. So, may plus subject plus base form of the verb. May I help you? May I help you? Okay. So, it's very, very clear that the format that we have, madali lang siyang sundan para mas madali mong maintindihan kung paano siya gamitin. Okay? Next, let's move to might. Might means possibility or negative possibility. It can also be present or future possibility. Let's move to the example para mas maunawaan natin. At mas maunawaan pa natin yan kapag may format ulit tayo. So, ang format natin is might plus base form of the verb. Example, our company might get the order if the client agrees to the price. Okay, so might is the modal verb, get is the base form of the verb. So, sinasabi dito sa sentence na to na may possibility na makuha yung order kung mag-a-agree si client. Laging may kung. Kasi nga, hindi pa sure. Hula pa lang, probability pa lang, or possibility pa lang na pwedeng mangyari. Depende sa deal. So, ganun siya. Might get the order if the client agrees to the price. Okay? Ayan, so mas lalo nating naintindihan kung paano nga ba gamitin ang can, could, may, might. So, review, can ay tumutukoy sa ability, something na magagawa mo. Could is tumutukoy din sa ability pero past form. May ay tumutukoy naman sa possibility na pwedeng mangyari in the future, probability. So, ang might ay tumutukoy naman sa present or future possibility na mangyayari ang isang bagay. So, maraming salamat everyone na nanood sa channel na to hanggang dulo at sana natuto kayo. So, may worksheet ako na ililive ko sa description box. Sana please sagutan nyo guys at you can drop down your comments kung ano yung mga request nyo na pwede ko pang maging content dito sa channel ko. At sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. At nga pala guys, huwag na rin kalimutan na i-hit ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo kapag nag-upload ako ng bagong video. We're all good. So, thank you everyone. I appreciate those who subscribe at natuto ngayon kay teacher Marean. Please don't forget to follow Marean Official. Let's end our session here. See you all guys tomorrow. I love you all.